So obviously we're gonna have turkey because that's the main flavor we're looking for around Thanksgiving time, right? But I think we should have it in a different package because this is a different kind of year. Turkey burger, perfect solution. Easy to make, handheld, moist, delicious, all the flavors we know and love and come to expect this time of year.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So we're gonna start with a sweet potato. It's really important to stab the sweet potato so steam can escape. That'll prevent an explosion. And I'm just gonna cook this right in the oven, straight on the rack, easy peasy. Thanksgiving flavors, they're unctuous, they're rich, they're heavy, right? We need something to brighten it, to lift that profile. So I'm thinking like a crispy, crunchy slaw. Cabbage. We need some brightness, apple. And now it's time to make the dressing for our slaw. Apple cider vinegar, and I absolutely love it. 2 honey packets from the drawer. Honey, sweet, delicious, very balancing to the acidic flavor of the apple cider vinegar. Coming in with about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Apple going in, cabbage in. Throwing in these cranberries, because, we've got this color pop differentiator. I'm just tearing some parsley in here. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So there we've got our delicious, light, bright slaw for our turkey burger, but it's gonna be great throughout the whole long weekend because the longer it sits, the better it gets. The sweet potato is cooled enough that I can handle it. Cut it in half the long way, scoop it right out. Why are we putting sweet potato into our burger? Well, there's a couple reasons. 1, it tastes great. It's nice and sweet. It adds a whole lot of fiber. 2, it stretches out the burger, right? So we can use less turkey, healthier, more affordable. And 3, and this is the big one, it prevents your turkey burger from being dry. This keeps all the moisture in. Mash it up. That is the base of what will be our turkey patty. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic. I'm going in with a little bit of onion powder. And I'm a huge fan of growing my own herbs at home because I love the idea of paying for something once and having it continue to give me flavors over time. So, to the herb garden, rosemary and thyme. This one has a Y in it. Coming in for some thyme. I love it. And we've got some rosemary. Turkey, rosemary, this makes sense to me. As I cut through this, even more undeniable holiday flavors are released in the form of intoxicating aromas. We've got our fresh herbs sprinkling down like the snow. Ground turkey. Crack an egg. We gotta throw an egg in there to bind this all together. A little bit of pepper. And we'll throw in some salt. And we're gonna put in a little bit of breadcrumb right now. Use the breadcrumbs to adjust the moisture of this as you see fit. Adding some oil to the pan. And now we form some patties. Ball, flatten. A little edge readjustment. Oh, this smells great. I smell the rosemary immediately. This is easy. I would say maybe you just want to have this as the main event. There's nothing wrong with that. This encapsulates everything that we know and love. It is comforting and familiar, even though it's different. So I'm gonna take a peek right now. Time to flip. Resist with every bone in your body the urge to push down, because all you're doing is pushing moisture out. And that defeats the purpose of what we're trying to achieve. Moist nirvana. Now, cheese, Gouda, because it's a semi-soft, unctuous cheese that even when it isn't smoked, it brings that smoky vibe. And of course, every burger needs a sauce. So, this one is gonna be based on cranberry, a quintessential holiday flavor. Mayo. So this is gonna bring the sauce together. It's gonna add that fattiness and the savoriness that's really gonna balance well with the tartness of the cranberry sauce. Very important. Now we're gonna add in some mustard because we're sophisticated. Some lemon, more complexity on the acidic side of our flavor profile wheel. So we've got a little bit of spicy, we've got a little bit of sweet, we've got tart, we've got amazing color, a little bit of salt. These look fantastic. I'm super excited. All these flavors, so good. We're just gonna give them a second to rest so that, again, the juice stays inside. Time to grab that slaw. Here she is. All right, we've got our 4 main components. Essentially, we have a Thanksgiving dinner right here. Putting our cranberry mayo sauce on the bottom here. Beautiful color, very Instagrammable. Get me a patty and put that right on top. Dried cranberries, shredded apples. Put the bun on top, like that. Holy moly. There it is. All of Thanksgiving in a single handheld package. All the colors, all the textures, all the aromas, all the memories. Man. Oh, it's so good. How is this possible? $2.68 a serving. That's pretty fantastic, especially for Thanksgiving. Less work, but somehow I'm not missing anything. It truly is all of Thanksgiving in a single little package.